Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my family's favorite firecracker chicken. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our 2 pounds of chicken. Here I already have it cut into small bite-sized pieces. And you just want to make sure to pat it dry to remove all of the moisture. And you can use chicken breast or thigh. But once we have that, we're just going to lightly beat our egg. Add it to the chicken. Along with that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of freshly minced ginger, garlic, black pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So just add it in there and mix it up together to make sure to coat the chicken. It's going to be kind of our marinade, as well as the egg is going to help the chicken get nice and crispy. Alright, so now we're just going to allow it to sit and marinate for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so after at least 10 minutes, our chicken is ready. So now we're going to begin to prep our coating, and that's just by mixing 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, and now we're just going to coat our chicken. Make sure that everything gets nice and coated. You don't want to see any raw chicken, you just want to see it all completely coated with our breading. And once that's done, we can now get ready to take it to the stove. Alright, so for our firecracker sauce, we're going to get our pan. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 of a cup of honey, 1/4 of a cup of Red Hot, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground mustard. And now we're just going to set it over medium-high heat, mix it together, and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, you're going to taste it and see if you need to adjust it. If you want it more spicier, you can always add more chili flakes, or if you want it more sweeter, add more brown sugar. But for me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to continue simmering for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so after about 3 minutes, our sauce is done and it should have thickened. So now we can get ready to fry our chicken. Alright, so here I'm going to set my pan over medium heat, and I'm just going to begin to heat up my oil. And you just want enough oil to cover the chicken. Alright, so once the oil is nice and hot, now we're going to get our chicken and carefully drop it in the oil. And just allow it to fry for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until our chicken is nice and golden. Alright, so once our chicken is nice and crispy, now we're just going to remove it from the oil. And just drain as much oil as possible. And just set it over a cooling rack. And here we continue repeating the process with the rest of our chicken. Alright guys, and once we have all of our chicken, we can now get ready for the fun part. Alright guys, now here returning back to our sauce. You can heat it up so like that it's nice and hot. But now I'm just going to be returning my chicken into it so we can mix it together. Make sure that it gets nice and coated. Okay, and once we have it, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This right here is seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious. I promise you, you and your family are going to love and enjoy. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. And like I mentioned, you could always make it more sweeter or more spicier, but let me tell you that this right here, it's honestly the best. So cheers and enjoy. So good. The chicken, nice and crispy. And of course the sauce. It's a little spicy, but it's just the honey and the brown sugar just balances so good. The best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make this super easy and delicious firecracker chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.